the aim of the war in Ukraine isn't just to destroy Ukraine and Ukrainians, it's to destroy the Western liberal world. And then they do this as well by expanding the alliance to include China, North Korea, and Iran, with the common goal of defeating the West and defeating the Western liberal order inside Ukraine. You do this, you destroy Ukraine, you destroy Israel as well, and then you are successful in transforming the world from a so-called unipolar world to a multipolar world where Russia is recognized as a great power equal to the United States. This axis of upheaval, Russia, China, Iran, and North Korea, believes it's at war. It's maybe time for us in the West to also understand we are at war.